Jordan Dove here. It is Thursday, June 30th, 2022. Hope you're well. Thank you guys for checking out the channel today. Something I'm going to talk about is your property taxes. Okay, there was a news article that circulated yesterday, kind of went viral. It was reported by the local Fox, NBC, ABC, etc. here in Southern Nevada and Clark County, and the Clark County Assessor has been charging people at a tax rate of investors at 8%. And if you did not respond to the spammy looking postcard that most people threw in the mailbox and you were owner occupied, they then changed you to an investment property, an investment tax, non-owner occupied, such as a rental or a vacation home. So kind of shady, right? So there is a way to check, and I want to talk about this today. So this goes out for my Vegas people, my Henderson people, my business, my clientele, my sphere of influence, all of you people. This message is for you on how you can prevent this from happening, what to do if you're being taxed at 8%. I'm going to go through all that. But for those of you, because I know a lot of you are international or national, check with your local county assessor. Usually they have a search function where you can search for your property address and find your assessor parcel number, go through your tax records, and it will show you what you're being taxed or what you're being paid for tax. So as your real estate professional, I wanted to inform everybody to make sure that you are not paying a higher tax than you should, okay? So in 2005, the Nevada State Legislature passed a law to provide property tax relief. It was Assembly Bill 489, and it provides for a partial abatement which limits annual tax increases on an owner's primary residence to no more than 3%, and for all other properties, no more than 8%. This is referred to as a tax cap. The assessor's office in Clark County recently mailed out a tax abatement notice to residential property owners who purchased property or had a change in ownership after July 1st, 2021 in Clark County, Nevada. Let me turn off my phone. It's always going off on these videos. I always forget to turn it off and silence it. I apologize. But anyways, these property owners may be eligible for a primary tax cap rate for the 2022-2023 fiscal year. So property owners need to submit a claim by signing the bottom portion of that postcard they sent out and returning it to the assessor's office by mail or in person. So how do we find your property tax rate? Well, in Clark County, this is how I'm going to explain the process to do it in Clark County, Nevada, but I've looked at assessors' websites all across the country in different counties to find an address of somebody I might have known before. So anyways, you can look at your assessor's website and get your tax information online in those cases. If not, you can always go down to your Clark County or your county assessor and go and get that information in person. So what you'll do is you'll visit the property records section of the Clark County Assessor. You're going to search property records. You can search by your name, your address, or the parcel number. Most people don't know their parcel number, so typically your name or address, and you're going to click. There's your bunch of addresses that are similar on your street, and on our system, there's a blue link for the APN number, the assessor's parcel number. You click that. And then you're going to scroll down for treasurer information regarding real property taxes. And under property characteristics, there will be a tax cap increase percentage. Yours is probably going to say 8.0, but guys, don't worry, we can fix this. But first, we need to find out actually what you are paying in taxes. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the net assessed value. In this example, this case, it's $100,892. Keep in mind the assessed value is not the market value of your home, but the algorithm in which the county assesses the value of your home, land, and structure for tax purposes. And if you would like to get a complimentary professional broker's price opinion on your home, send me an email, text, call me, and we will prepare one for you so you can have a better understanding what your home is actually worth in today's environment, which is very quickly changing and shifting back to a buyer's market. Okay, so what you're going to do to find out your tax percentages, you're going to divide the property tax principal by the total assessed value and multiply that by 100 to determine your tax percentage. So the example in my case is the property tax principal is $1,796.67 divided by the assessed value of $100,982, which equals 0.0175, and some more numbers, times that by 100. My current property tax rate is about 1.75%, which is below the 8%. However, Clark County or your county may be taxing you at the investor rate, non-owner occupied rate, if you do not notify them. So to do this, you can email or mail this form in, which I'll attach a link in the description below so you can have that form. Email it is going to be the easiest way, or you can mail it directly to the Clark County Assessor to their address. I'll have all this information on my website. I'm going to leave that link down below. And if you guys have any questions about this, give me a call, respond, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I'd be happy to help. Coming up on 4th of July weekend. Hope everyone has a safe and enjoyable Independence Day. Remember, this is still the greatest country in the world, and we have so much opportunity here. Hopefully we can come together and start doing things together as a people instead of all this division out there. But anyways, that's the information about the Clark County taxes. I hope you are not paying too much. If you are, get that reduced. It could end up saving you several $100s, maybe even several $1,000s, depending on that assessed value. Okay? So everyone, have a great day. We'll talk next time, and see ya.